Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you have no sound when you're using Instagram app, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just check your sound just by tapping plus sound button when you see home screen. So if it doesn't help you, so you just see that your volume as high as he can be. So how you can fix it, so just try to go to the settings. In the settings, just find here general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And also you need to check here if you turn off silent mode. So another thing you can also just try, it's to update your Instagram. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. And thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.